Well, no worries. Okay. Let's know, Salim, come back. Why are you so eager to go back? I'm not able to understand. It's now time for the official launch, the music launch that we are talking about. And to begin with, we are actually very honored and we are very happy to introduce the IMPA president. Hope It's Too Much through Capital Films. Mr. Agarwal is an educationist and also the man behind the Trade magazine, which is the blockbuster, I must say. And we are very happy with this association, sir. And we will touch much bigger heights with this association. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move ahead. I would also like to invite Kunal. Could you please join us on the stage now? No, Kunal Ganjawala, I know your last name. Come on!
He insists that the surname be pronounced.
All right, Kunal, I've already worked with you once in the show, and yeah, every time you
but
sing...
darling, you're forgetting too many things today. You're forgetting his name, you're forgetting
I did not forget his name, and
but
I did
now,
not...
Now
you are known as Kunal Ganjawala, we all know.
People in defense tend to shout. I'm not shouting.
Whoa, okay. So we have Kunal Ganjawala with us, and let's also call the singers and the music directors, please. Join us on the stage with a big hand here, everybody. Our music directors, singers.
I also want to introduce one person who's been in the industry for many years, behind all the systems, and also a fantastic singer, Clinton Sarejo. Please.
Clinton, welcome. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and do the official launch, the music launch of Hoof It's Too Much. Can we have the CD, please? With this, If It's Too Much, and with Pushkar.
See, for this picture, Pushkar came to me only 3 days back. 3 days back, Pushkar came to me. He came to my CEO, Abhijit Thakkar, and Abhijit with Pushkar came to me, and they said, we have made this picture. Will you release this picture? Because then I said, okay, let me see the movie first. In the morning at 8 o'clock, I saw this movie. When I saw this movie, what I felt, this movie is definitely for the youngsters of today. This movie is for the age group of 18 to 28. Because this is the only time when the youngsters are really confused. And that I could see in the movie. What I think is, जैसे स्टूडेंट्स और बच्चे लोग पिक्चर देखने जाएंगे लोग, वो इस पिक्चर के अंदर घुस जाएंगे. They will feel it is their own story. And इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल सकता मैं. And definitely this picture should run. Nobody can say whether it's a small picture or it's a big picture. That you can come to know only on Friday morning. But definitely one thing I can say with this picture, Pushkar is going to rock in Bollywood. Definitely. The way he has worked, and the same thing I can say about the girl. She has done wonderfully good work, and Pushkar will definitely rock whatever it is, but he will become a big star. And if I go to him also for my next movie, I don't think he'll give me the dates even then. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal. Thank you very much for such love.
Well, I hadn't heard all the other songs, but I have now, 2 of them. And yeah, he's a good kid and he's talented. And we heard from the distributor and the producer that he's worked very hard. He came across as a very, very enthusiastic, knowing what he wants to do when he came for the recording. It was a long time back. It was almost 2 years ago when he started the film. And so I'm happy that it's turned out the way it has and that he's debuting as an actor, director. I wish him the world.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kunal.
God bless.
I mean, we are in fact very honored that you are actually a part of this film. I'm telling you, as a person, I love your voice and I love all your songs. So it's fantastic. All right, Clinton, now it's your time to actually tell us. And how was your experience?
Well, first of all, I have to say that Pushkar called me up a couple of times and I really had no idea that, he was also acting in the film and directing and writing the film and everything. So, I mean, your humility is really striking, Pushkar, wherever you are right now. I mean, I hope and pray that you always stay that way. And Sai and Piyush, of course, the first time we worked together, but we've been Facebook friends and, I mean, we are like together in the industry that way. So, yes, I'm very happy to be associated with them and to do this song for them.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for...
So I said, oh, his music is also very good. Forgive me. It's been 2 years and, Sai and Piyush, we worked 2 years ago. I've never met them after that. Today I saw them and I looked and I said, oops, sorry, the music is not by Pushkar. So you know how involved he is and it's great to meet Sai and, you, Piyush, again. And forgive me. What to do? We'll meet soon and do more films. That's how we'll all be in rotation. I'm not your Facebook friend, but, God bless you.
Now they will be very soon.
But the point is, I'm not on
friends.
Facebook. There are 4 other Kunal Ganjawalas, but it's not me. So,
Thank you very much.